Hi everyone, welcome to Nano11 and back to Python tutorial video series. In today's video, I'll talk about nested lists in Python programming. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is uploaded. Let's get started. What are nested lists in Python programming? Basically, any list which in turn has sublist and which in turn has another sublist are called as nested sublists. One can use these nested sublists to arrange the data into hierarchical structures. The nested list items are ordered, changeable, and can allow duplicate values. The nested list items are indexed, which means that the first item has index of 0 and the second item has index of 1, etc. and so on. So when one says that the lists are ordered, it means that the items has a defined order and that order will not change. If you add a new item to a list, the new items will be placed at the end of the nested list. The nested lists are changeable, which means that we can add, change and remove items in a nested list after it has been created. Since these nested lists are indexed, they can have items with the same value. Now let us try to understand how to create a nested list. The nested lists are created by placing a comma-separated sequence of sublists. Let us try to understand this with these following examples. In the below examples for nested lists, the first nested list with name L has the main list starting with character A, and then it has a sublist which has BB and CC, and the main list continues and it has D and it ends here. And the second nested list NL has the main list items 1, 2 and starts a new sublist 10, 20, and within the second sublist we have another third sublist with values 11, 22. Let us try to understand how to access nested lists within Python programming. The individual items need to be accessed using multiple indexes. If we consider the second example as we just discussed, we see that the nested list items has started with the index 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this nested list, we have the values 1, 2 at the index positions 0 and 1, and the values 3, 4 are having the index positions 3, 4. And in the second index position, we have another sublist which has the values 10 and 20. So here, to access this 10 and 20, we need to print the value using NL of 2. Because at the index 2 position, we have the values 10, 20. Similarly, to access the values 11 and 22, which are another sublist within the second sublist here. Finally, if we want to access the values 11, 22, which are present in the third sublist within the main list, we need to use NL of 2 followed by 2. Let us consider the example 2 to understand how to access nested lists in Python programming. In the example 2, if you observe here, it has a main list which has items 1, 2, 3 and 4, and within the main list we have two sublists. The second sublist has values 10, 20, and the third sublist has the values 11, 22. Below is the example code. The below example code helps to understand how to print different values at different positions from the above nested list. The first print function NL of index 2 used to print the value that is present at the index position 2. At the second position we have the values 10, 20, 11 and 12. Here the second print statement is used to print the value of sublist with index 2 followed by index 2, which means that it prints the values 11, 22. And finally, the third print statement is used to print the value 11, which is present at the index position 0 of NL of index 2 and index 2. Now let us try to understand this nested list using a practical demo. Here I am creating the nested list of example 2 here. To access the nested list NL which was just created, I need to use the print function. You see that the print function displays the nested list items present in the nested list NL. From the result, we see that all the nested list items are ordered here. Now, to access the first sublist I'm using NL of 2. You see that the sublist which is present at the index position 2 of the main list as displayed here. Similarly, we can also access the nested list item present at the index 2 of index 2. You see that the 11 and 12 values present at the index 2 of NL of 2 are displayed at the output. Now let us try to display a single value using multiple index. At index position 0. So this displays the value 11 as the output. Similarly, we can also create nested lists using string items. For instance, I am creating a nested list with name NL1 and I am giving the values with string items as A, B, followed by the second nested list items having AA, BB. I am ending this and I am continuing the main list items with C followed by D. Then I am ending the main list. You see that this nested list has been created. To display the NL1 items which was just created, I am using the print function. You see that all the nested list items that are created in NL1 are displayed at the output. That's all for the practical demo. That's all for today's video. These are some useful URL links. If you like my videos, make sure to share with your friends and family. Also, please make sure to visit and subscribe my channel. The channel link is provided in the description below. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning and have a good day.